How would you like to be getting paid $200 commissions daily? And now this can happen within minutes. Let me open up my email account, or actually let me just go over to my Facebook as I have it open here. But as you guys see here, it's 11:05, so this happened less than an hour ago. But I had a $200 commission come through, and it literally took less than 10 minutes for this person to go from joining the business, joining the Press One Cash system, to becoming a paid member and paying me $200. Now, what is the Press One Cash system? The Press One Cash system is a auto text software. This auto text software can be used for any business. It does not matter what it is, whether it be online, offline. You can use this number to promote and generate traffic, leveraging different methods of SMS marketing. Now, if you guys don't know how to get traffic, or maybe you don't have a business already, that's fine, because with the Press One Cash system, you can actually get paid $200 instant commissions for every single member that you refer to Press One Cash. Now, it is very simple to refer people to Press One Cash, as we have a copy and paste system which you guys can leverage. If you guys want more info, there'll be a link in the description below, or at any time you can call 707-358-3051 and just simply press 1. That will redirect you over to my simple chatbot. Now, as you guys see here, this chatbot is very high converting. The click-through rate is insane, and if you guys decide to become a Press One Cash member, I'm going to show you how I'm using that Cashbot to automate my business completely. Now, I'm getting traffic from Craigslist, I'm getting traffic from YouTube, from Facebook, all different avenues, and I'm redirecting them to this Cashbot. And this Cashbot is warming my leads up and earning me money without me having to siphon out all the tire kickers and the people that waste time. The chatbot is going to only bring you in high quality prospects that are actually interested in making money. Okay, so that's a very powerful method. And like I said, I'm just going to open up Frank's system. Now, Frank Calabro Jr., if you don't know who he is, he's been making systems like this for years, and they convert like crazy. Now, these systems are set up for the newbies, okay? These systems are set up for people that, don't want to go out there and set something up themselves. They just want something that, they can invest a little bit of money into. They can have something that's ready to go, and they can start earning right out of the gate. And that's exactly what this is. This system is 100% copy and paste. All you have to do is you simply just watch this video right here, and then you're just going to click on Yes, Start Now. Once you click on Yes, Start Now, it's going to bring you to one of our affiliates page. Now, if you click the button below, you're going to join under me. But once you set your system up, you're going to get your very own copy and paste system where you can actually generate, or you can start driving traffic to, which we show you how to do that. We give you some copy and paste ads. Okay, let me just close this out here. So in our Press One Cash group, we actually have a bunch of income proof. So if you guys see here, we have all of these income proof, and if you guys notice, what's happening is you guys can scroll through here and look for cash. We have daily live broadcasts and things like that, but you can actually scroll through and you can grab any of these images and simply make a post on your wall. Now, I'm just going to show you a post of mine. Now, this is promoting the daily Cashbot, which again promotes the Press One Cash system. It's just my way of warming people up, leveraging these little chatbots. Now, they're very easy to set up. If I actually just open this up, I'll give you guys a brief little sneak peek into my chatbot. So it's very simple. Just two little messages right here where I get people to let me know how much money they want to earn. Then I send them over to a message, and then when they click this button, right, they're going to go over to this page. Okay, they're going to land on this page, and they're going to enter in their email, and they're going to get directed to this page. Okay, now on this page, there's a video where Frank Calabro Jr. is going to walk them through, what the Press One Cash system is. He's going to do all the selling and telling for you. So all you have to do is either generate traffic to this page, or you can message me and I can show you how to set up a simple chatbot like this, which is going to just warm your prospects up a little bit, and it's also going to give them an avenue. Okay, so if I go over here to my page right here, and I go into inboxes, right, as you guys see here, there's tons and tons of messages that I have coming through consistently. Okay, so I have all of these people, right, all of these people messaging me. I can continue to scroll and scroll and scroll. So I have lots of people coming through leveraging the chatbot, and like I said, it's just a simple way to warm your traffic up. Okay, it's going to get them to, know, like, and trust you a little bit. That's why I use my personal page, right? Because I want people to connect with me. I want people to, find, okay, who's Dylan DeFazio? I want to, I want to bring them to my page. I want them to, get to know me a little bit, because at the end of the day, you're only going to want to work with people that you want to work with, all right? You don't want to work with everybody, because at the end, you might hate your business, right? I'm sure you go to your day job and there's some people that you don't want to work with, right? So getting people to instantly know you is going to, siphon off the people that aren't going to have an instant connection with you, and it's going to attract the people that are. So what you can do is you can simply promote this system, and then, like I said, you click that button. It's going to bring you over to your Press One Cash page, right? And then it's going to, if you guys want to set up your system, all you have to do is click on Continue. Now this is where the power starts to happen, okay? So once you click on Continue, this is going to be a simple 4-step system. So step number 1, right, that's going to be a fast start training for Press One Cash, okay? So there's going to be 2 videos right here, going to get you completely up to date, completely trained on the Press One Cash system, so that you are educated and you know exactly how to use it and how to leverage it to start making money. Okay, step number 2, this is where Frank's going to show you how to copy our system. Now, as you guys see here, there's landing pages. We actually have 9 different landing pages that you can leverage and you can use to start building your email list. Now, I have mine personally linked up to my Aweber, right? Because yes, although I am building my chatbot list, I am also still building my email list, because, although the click-through rates are, nowhere near chatbots, email marketing is still something that you want to have, okay? So in step number 2, Frank's going to walk you through how to copy this system, and by leveraging this little code, you're going to get this entire system. All of these steps, all of these pages, all of this training, everything. And when Frank goes and updates it, it's automatically going to get updated for you, so that you don't have to worry about, oh, is this system going to get out of date, or is this system going to, if it's not converting, is it going to continue to not convert? No. Frank is consistently testing things. He's already added, within our first 2 weeks, he's already added another 5 landing pages, and I ran some solo ad traffic. You guys see here, we got 60 opt-ins, and I have several members going through and gathering funds and joining the business. Okay, so this thing is very, very high converting. If I actually scroll down here, we can do, what are we looking at? 1. So out of 21 members, we have 3 members that have joined. Okay, so 21 divided by 3. So right now we're sitting at a 7% conversion, or a 1 in 7 members is actually upgrading and becoming a paid member. So 1 in 7 members. Now I know, maybe 3 sales isn't crazy. That's still $600 paid into my bank account, which is insanely powerful. And I haven't even been at it for a week. Okay, I literally got started. I did a little bit of promotion. I hadn't really opened up the floodgates until I started to learn about the chatbot, because once I started to tap into the chatbot and I seen the potential, the amount of traffic generation and the quality of traffic I was getting was insane. Okay, so make sure you want to be testing, you want to be tweaking, you want to be learning, and that's why we're here. We're a big community. We're going to be helping you. I have lots of different methods. I have lots of different training, so you're not alone when you get started here. Okay, so we'll get you set up. We'll get you set up with a nice system. We'll get you set up with a chat bot if you guys want to set up a chat bot. They're very cheap. You can actually set one up for free, and you only have to pay once you start to get a massive amount of subscribers. So that's pretty cool. The Press One Cash system is very, very simple, and there's really nothing to it. So if you guys want to get started, just click the link in the description below, and I look forward to working with you guys.